everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a tutorial on a selenite stick. So the purpose of this video is really to kind of design a pendant around the stone. So obviously we can work with ovals and teardrops all day long, but when we've got a stick or druzy or something a bit special that's got detailing in it, we might want to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to be doing this with silver field wire today, and I've cut one piece which is approximately maybe 20 inches long, and I'm going to start by just bringing the ends together, finding the middle and just pinching everything together so we've got a loop at the top. Now you can do this with your bow making, but it is good to find that central point before you bring your bow making pliers in. And then what you want to do is just pinch everything together so you've got a little loop. What we're going to do is, on this particular stone we've got a little bit of a divot at the back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit the wires, if they'll behave, into there. I'm going to come down and underneath the stone and back round to the front. So we're just anchoring everything onto the stone. You need to hold this. What you're going to do, it's such a simple wrap this. I'm going to just bend the wires around and bring them all the way around the pendant. Then we're just going to grab them at the front. I'm just going to bring a twist in, like so. Then bring them, just check that bail is still sat where you want it. Check them again, come all the way around, check nothing's twisting around itself. Back. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to bring the wires so they connect to that bail. Now it's got to be one of the simplest designs you can possibly do. It takes minutes. And what we're going to do is we're just going to get these ends, bring them into the bail, hook them in, grab the ends, just try and start pulling them through so we can tuck them. Do the top one. And these are just a really, really nice, simple but pretty pendant that you can do to just practice your techniques, practice being able to tuck your wires, which I'm not doing a great job at the moment, but we'll get there. And just generally finishing things off nice and easily. This wire's been very tricky. That's it, got it. So then what we've got is a really, really simple straight line pendant. And what we can do is, things do move, we go to the back, just make sure everything is exactly where we want it. And one of the easiest ways to tighten your wires up is to grab and bend. So we put like a little lightning jolt in there. This just tightens things and it just makes things a little bit more solid and a little bit tighter on the stone. So we literally put little kinks in the back and it tightens up everything at the front. And then what we can do is we just make sure that we're happy with the position of everything. Make sure that everything's where we want it to be. And then essentially your pendant is done. And that is it. 5-minute tutorial. Little selenite sticks. And they are so pretty as well. You know, they've got this really lovely flash. Gorgeous. So if you're a beginner, if you're just practicing, if you're trying new things, give it a try. Try basics, try simple, get used to handling the wire and the stone, and then, yeah, see what you come up with. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. That was a really quick one from this week, but I hope you found it really helpful, and I will see you all in the next tutorial. Take care for now. See you later. Bye.